How to recover Yahoo password without recovery email ID and phone number. So if you want to reset or recover your Yahoo password without your recovery ID and your password, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your browser, make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to search for Yahoo and then go with www.yahoo.com. Once you're here, you can go with sign in option, which is on the top right. Once you go with the sign in page, now if you've already signed in to your account previously, then you will have this option. You can just click on it and you'll be able to sign in. Or you can also go with use another account and it will take you to this kind of page. Now, if you want to sign into your account or recover your password if you don't remember it, then you can first enter your email address, username, or something like that, and then you can go with next, and it will ask you for the password. Now, if you don't remember your password, you can go with forgot password. And after going with forgot password, now you can verify with your Google account or email or get a WhatsApp code. So if you don't have access to your recovery email ID and your phone number, then you won't be able to recover your account. So you just need simply go with WhatsApp code. If you click on it, you will receive the code on your WhatsApp, or if you go with email, you will receive the code to your email address. And if you go with Google account, then you will be able to recover using your Google account. You can verify. Or if you don't have access to any one of these, you can go with I need more options and select more options. And as you can see that you don't have any other option but to go for help. If you go with help, then here you need to select the account and then your Yahoo email address and go with I'm not a robot and then submit the tick. After that, you might get some help, or you can just simply go with contact us, which is right here. Once you click on contact us, then you'll be able to go with the same page and you'll be able to submit a report and your account will be recovered. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.